Hi guys, welcome to Chili Pot Kitchen. My name is Darshini. How to make organic natural food color? The answer is easy. Here is how to make food colors at home from scratch in shades of
Orange, magenta, yellow, green, violet, red.
with no artificial coloring, no preservatives, no monumental price tag, just fruits and vegetables. It's safe to give it to kids also. Watch the full video for the tips and tricks. I'm also going to show you a trick to get 2 more colors from violet in the end. Just say bye to the store-bought food color and try this food color recipe at home. I'm going to show you 2 methods of food coloring. One is liquid food color and the other one is gel food color. Looking for more instant pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for tasty and easy video recipes. Let's get started. We don't really need an exact proportion for this recipe. In the end, all we need is a liquid color or a gel. I have taken organic fruits and vegetables. Carrot is for orange color, purple cabbage is for violet, spinach is for green, beets is for red, mango is for yellow, raspberry is for light shade of pink, and blueberry is for magenta. I'm using the frozen blueberries that gives a nice rich color. First, we'll start with fruits. Take any blender or mixer jar, add blueberries. I have taken 7 ounces of homegrown frozen blueberry and 1 cup of water. Blend it together till you get a nice juice. Repeat the same for all the fruits. I'll be posting more videos using this food color in the upcoming weeks. Stay tuned for more interesting recipes. I'm using mangoes for yellow color. You can also use the turmeric powder to get a nice yellow color. For that you have to cook 1 teaspoon of turmeric with a half cup of water and then strain it. Now let's start with veggies. Blend the carrot with water and strain the juice. We are not going to cook the carrot before because carrot has a beta carotene which gives a nice color. If we cook the carrot before, while straining the beta carotene will be removed. That's why we didn't cook the carrots before. Clean the jars after every use. We have to boil the beets, purple cabbage and the spinach with water for 5 to 10 minutes. Let it cool down completely, then blend it with the same water. I'm using the Instant Pot Ace Plus blender. It cooks and blends itself, so I'm just selecting soup option twice and let it cook and blend itself. It takes roughly 12 to 13 minutes. Repeat the same for purple cabbage and spinach. Keep in mind that when mixed into frostings or icing, the natural food color will create lovely pastels rather than the incredibly vibrant color. I use mine in baking, frosting, kesari which is an Indian sweet and cocktails. Now we have to strain the extracted juices. You can use strainer or any nut milk bag. Pour the extracted juices and squeeze it completely. We just need a liquid juice. Repeat the same for all. Now we have all extracted juices. You can store in the airtight container for up to 2 weeks in the refrigerator. Add 1 teaspoon to icing, frosting or batter. Add more coloring if necessary. Be careful while you're using liquid colors because if you add too much, the batter will be runny. Personally, I prefer the liquid colors to mix it with the liquid foods like juices or water. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell icon. I post new videos every Tuesday, Friday and Sunday. It's a magic time. Take 1 cup of violet color and add less than a half teaspoon of baking soda. Stir it well. Look at the color is changing. You will see a Caribbean sea color. Take another cup of violet color. Add 2 to 4 drops of lemon juice. Stir it well. Look at the magic. You will get a nice pink color. If you want sky blue color, after you boil the cabbage, collect the liquid. To that liquid, add baking soda. You will get a nice blue color. Wow, look at all the vibrant colors. Now, let's see how to make food gels. Take a white saucepan, add that extracted juice and add half cup to 1 cup of water. Adjust according to your need just to dilute the juice. Adding water will neutralize the flavor of fruits and veggies. Saute it for 5 to 10 minutes in the medium flame. Now it's getting thick. If you scrap the line in the pan like this, the liquids to separate like this. It's the right consistency. Turn off the flame, transfer it to a bowl, let it cool down completely. Repeat the same for all the colors. Once it's cooled down, the color gets thickened. Now the food gel is ready. I made only 3 colors for gel. It looks super vibrant. Let's check how the gel works. Take a glass of water, add few drops of gel into the water. Wow, look at this, how good it looks. It dissolves completely. It's so vibrant. Store this gel in the airtight container. It will stay good for 6 weeks to 3 months. This is all organic and it's safe to give it to your kids. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.